Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine has a couple questions for Lorraine. She's saying that Lorraine is allegedly laughing at a patient of hers who has early stage of Alzheimer's. Well, we all know, or we should know by this, that Alzheimer's is something that affects the brain, and the individual or the patient would have had some form of memory loss or would have been acting in a way that is not appropriate at times. Sometimes they're in a childish stage, so they forget things. They forget, their names. They forget their family members. They forget even their own names at times. They forget. These people, they're at a baby stage in life where you have to do almost everything for them. That's some of them. Some of them, they will remember, little music that they used to listen to, little words they will recognize, but other things, it's hard for them to remember. And so these patients, they're very fragile, in a sense. So that's what Maxine was talking about. She's saying that basically there's a law, and I think that would have been the IPA law, where it prevents you from coming out and talking about your patient and talking about different things that's personal to the patient. It's a law that prevents you from speaking on the patients, because this is you going into the personal affairs of the patient, and the law prevents you from doing that, or you can be charged, from basically, revealing stuff that you're not supposed to about the patient. So it's called the HIPAA law. And so Maxine is talking about that and other things. She's asking Lorraine a couple questions in that sense, as she said allegedly that she's revealing stuff about her patient and she's sitting there laughing. So guys, just go over and see what Maxine has to say about this and more. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Lovelies, you have to subscribe to the channel. Yeah. And have yourselves now a wonderful Sunday morning.
Every now and then. Can you should I laugh, people? Should I laugh? She think it's funny, laugh at me. Laugh at me, she think say funny. Your husband, that's the kind of respect what Steve have for you. Like you're out there selling some pussy. That mean you never stay good, then things say you're any woman at the street. That mean you never stay good. Why you laughing? Lorraine, why are you laughing? Why are you really laughing, Lorraine? Lorraine, may have something to ask you, Lorraine. Lorraine, did you go to school? Did you go to any pharma nursing school, any kind of elderly care classes? Did you do your domestic violence, your ACA test, any one of them something there? Lorraine, why you they invade your patient them privacy? Why are you invading your patient's privacy? Why are you out here laughing at your patient? Your patient have early stage Alzheimer's, and you out here laughing at your patient? You putting up her stuff on social media, Lorraine? Like really, Lorraine? Lorraine, you don't know about privacy and those people. Didn't they teach you about privacy? You can't even tell your mother, your husband, your sister, your brother, your picnic, the people them business. You know I know that? I am not fighting with nobody tonight. And as them come over here, me remove them. Me literally they remove on myself with me two and them. As soon as come over here in the defense of anybody at all. Because I notice on social media, you know, some people can chat about some people. Cartoon, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Cartoon. Anyway you're there, thank you very much for that. Those little clips. Thank you for them. Thank you for them. Because there's such thing as elderly care. There's such thing as, oh, they don't know these, so they have to hold, oh Lord, they don't know. Lorraine, do you not know that what you do is illegal by putting out your patient's information out there? You know, say illegal. You can go prison for it. You they laugh off of your patient, them will have early stage Alzheimer's. What else are you doing to them? You in their house, they go on with things and stuff like that. Like really? You they get pay from them and you they get pay from social media at the same time and people they send money come give you and all of that. You don't know? She does not know the HIPAA law. Laugh at me, she do not know the HIPAA law or she would not have done what she done. She would not have done. Thank you guys for the followings. Thank you guys. Oh God, I get so much followers you can't even imagine. Supporters, I would say. It no matter what no one say about me, me no care. All if me the prior from 2000. I'm still can't reach 20,000 people. That's okay. Me start from 1. Laugh at me, I start from 1. So if I have 7,000 or 8,000, mighty God, that's a big, big leap. I don't care from when me start. That's a big leap. No for uno what have no big platform them and no followers them I buy uno buy people. I buy uno buy them. They no come naturally. Nobody name push me up with no stick. And you know what running in my mind, laugh at me? Why these people are saying that they get blocked by either me or you. Guys, remember, I'm not the original owner of the platform. So whoever went up the platform before, went already blocked uno. Whoever had the platform before has already blocked you guys. So laugh at me, call them and make them know, say, no, me nor you block none of them. Whoever went up the platform them before, block them. Because remember, say them and them went in a war. So they went block them. And not change. Me never block nobody, you never block nobody. End the story with that. But Lorraine, come here. Because the time you're in a people's business and they go on with yourself and go on with yourself with your liar self, you have greater trouble they come. Good night, my darling Rebecca. Good night. Lorraine, you have greater trouble they come. Imagine you out there they sell pussy and you gone out a street and you put your husband on the phone. Make your husband, they ask you if a pussy you out there they sell. Lorraine, that's terrible. Are you they laugh like it funny? You're laughing like it funny? People no listen to Lorraine husband, they ask Lorraine if a pussy she out there they sell.
You know, some people always try to pick up your wife, you know that. Don't miss that.
From Walmart. Mirrors.
Wait, Steve, did you look at yesterday?
I no look at. Steve say you look at the woman off the street, they sell some pussy. Lorraine, you not have no shame. You not hear what Steve they said to Lorraine. Hi Barbie, she never hear this here. Steve they asked Lorraine say you should be practically tell her say she should be ashamed of herself the way how she was on the street. Because she look like them people on the street where they sell pussy. And she a laugh like it funny. She's laughing like it's funny. Oh my God. Oh no, listen here.
You know, some people always try to pick up your wife. You know that. Don't miss that. If they say yesterday, me look nice.
And she a laugh. She a laugh. If I see her face light up on the laugh. Cause the way how she went look yesterday, it was disgusting. Steve said, can somebody pick up somebody from Walmart? You looking like somebody who's selling pussy? Me rascal, yeah. No, sir, no, excuse me French. Excuse me French. And the girl have it on social media, put it out on social media like it's something funny. And when you're done, you talk about people who they sell pussy? Eh? Lord Jesus, if you don't understand American, let me translate it for you. Let me translate it for you. Her husband, ever they desire her life. Ever they desire her life. Them a kind of life you delete them. You don't make nobody see it. Them a kind of life, yeah. Hi. Hi everyone. Good night everybody. Good night everybody. Hmm? Oh, uno gonna come left, right, and center if you beat me. I don't give one fuck. Uno should I know so me no care already. Uno should I know. Listen how Steve did this are.
You know, some people always try to pick up your wife. You know that. Don't miss that. If they say yesterday, me look nice.
If Camila wasn't with her, she would look like she's walking the street selling some pussy. There is nothing about you selling some pussy at Walmart. Like Walmart. If Camila wasn't with you, they would sure think you are there selling some pussy. And she over there, they kin off her gum. Over there, they kin off her gum. But that's the least when me come to contact to her about. The least. Guys, Lorraine seems to not understand the HIPAA law. Lorraine seems to not understand HIPAA law. Where you cannot disclose certain things if you're working with certain people, like the white people them what she a work with, like if the home where she they working at. You cannot disclose nothing to not even your husband about these people. And look upon the disgrace of Lorraine, they call down upon the woman who have the early stage Alzheimer's with the dolly. You know, when them are reaching that age and so all when they don't have no pitney, they would have hold on upon one dolly and say, oh, that's their baby and stuff like that. Lorraine, you should be ashamed of yourself. But the adult service is going to hear about it. They are going to hear about it and they will be seeing all of those pictures and stuff that Cartoon put out there. Cartoon, don't take it down. Don't let nobody tell you to take it down. You didn't put it out there, and Lorraine put it out there. I know you they work out, you know, in America they work. You're not in America working. Hi, Lorraine. Oh my God, when I saw it, it was so, Lord Jesus. Lorraine, not hear about HIPAA law. You not stop until you get yourself in some serious trouble. Cartoon now get herself in no trouble. After Cartoon, no, the America, they work with nobody. I'm glad she put it out there. I am so glad she put it out there. Oh, the authorities is going to hear about it. You pussy seller. Oh, Steve realized you sell pussy. A long time you dey sell pussy. Long time. Here, oh, Lorraine happy. Here, oh, Lorraine happy. Steve say Lorraine they sell pussy and Lorraine they laugh. Steve say Lorraine they sell pussy. You know listen. And his sweetheart.
You know, some people always try to pick up your wife. You know that. Don't miss that. If I say yesterday, I look nice. Princess, you didn't look at yesterday. I always look nice, though. When you hear that, you hear what Steve said? If somebody that try to pick you up, if we don't sell them some.
That's not what he said. He said the way how you look, Lorraine. If the girl name did it with you, people that think so no out if you sell pussy. Miras. Me never see say from a banner how Lorraine happy about it. Lorraine happy about it. Eh? Lorraine is so happy about it. What a sad life we live in. What a sad time we live in. In people, what a sad time we live in. That people can they walk and thief people money. People can they walk and scam people and their money. Me say worse left fi come out. You know remember when landlord thief me $100 cause a thief, she literally went thief my $100, you know. And everybody when they laugh. Oh my God, they laugh after me. Oh God, they laugh after me. Me shame. So till me can't shame no more. And now, you know they realize, say, people literally, because these people pray, you know, understand, say, when they donate to Donna, starting with Donna, Almighty God, I was going through such a depression. I was going through such a depression. I practically think I lost my mind. I have a nervous breakdown one at a time. These people prey upon you. Them pray. They know how to prey upon people. They know how to suck on in. Me mean suck on. Me not talk about pray. Like PRAY. Me not talk another the pray me attack. Me attack suck you in. Take you for everything what you have. Almighty Jesus. No, sir. They must sit there and bring, when me remember where me I come from, you see people. When me remember that today I sit down and I'm thinking about my life. I'm thinking about my life. Where I was and where I am today. And I look and I see, every one of them, how them are one piece of hustler. Them know how to hustle from people who is mentally disabled. When you're mentally disabled, because I was mentally disabled, you know. Because nobody in their right mind, you know, could cuss me from now till a morning I do business. Nobody in their right mind would have pick up their savings, their money. Me never rich. Me never rich. Yes, my husband them rich and stuff like that. But me no way have nothing put on aside for say me put on something aside for rainy day or nothing like that. I was just living in the moment. I was just living in the moment. Good night, my darling. Good night, everyone. Good night. I was just living in the moment. Today, me they listen some live and me they hear some people from last night. Me I listen and me say, no fucker, no. Now no realize what I was talking about all this time. When me come out and me say, every one of them take me life savings and then yam me out and then use me and stuff. You no think it was just a joke. You no think it was just a joke. You no look on my side.
Remember,
say,
lovelies, to
God,
subscribe,
Maxine never in her right mind.
like,
Maxine sick in her head.
comment,
Nobody look at it that way.
and share
Nobody
this
look
channel.
and say, boy, if they rate Maxine so much time, Maxine head not supposed to be in the right place. If Maxine under depression and all of them sitting there, no wonder Maxine give away all of what she have. No, look on it the way there. Oh, but you no can talk about the people them in America where work